Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start on safety. Put on fall protection, gloves, and slip-resistant shoes, then position a secure ladder. Begin with an attic check to find fresh stains or daylight through sheathing. That tells you which roof quadrant to target. Once you identify attic clues, move outside and use binoculars to scan seams, fasteners, and roof penetrations. Make sure to note rust, loose screws, or missing sealant so you're focused when you climb up for hands-on testing. Climb carefully and check seams, panel laps, fasteners, and flashings. Pry up trim edges gently to see underlayment. If nothing obvious appears, perform a controlled water test. One partner runs a garden hose over 1 to 2 meter sections, while you or your helper watches the attic for active drips. Work from low to high so water simulates rain entry points, and mark any leak locations with tape or chalk. This method isolates the leak and reveals the exact failing component. Once you find the source, tighten or replace corroded screws, lift overlapping panels, and apply metal-compatible sealant to laps, or replace damaged flashing using matching materials. Make sure to use neoprene washer screws and proper underlayment to restore a watertight seal. Secure trim and recheck with a brief water run. If the leak continues after repairs, the key troubleshooting tip is to inspect the roof deck and seams under the panel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.